how to enable or disable dialogue clarity on Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, on your remote, press the menu button. Here in menu, scroll down and go to settings. In settings, go to sounds. Here in sounds, go to sound mode settings. In sound mode settings, you can see here the dialogue clarity. And dialogue clarity is enable or turn on. If this enable, dialogue clarity uses TTS dialogue clarity to boost the frequency range of the human voice. So dialogue is clearly understood and heard above audio or surround effects. And if you want to turn off or disable the dialogue clarity, okay, just turn off the switch button on the right side or uncheck this. And that's it. We have successfully disabled or turned off the dialogue clarity. And if you want to enable or turn on again, just switch on the switch button on the right side to enable or turn on. And that's it. We have successfully enabled or disabled dialogue clarity on the Devant Smart TV.